Hey everyone, and let's take a look at our newest kitchen addition, the Chefman TurboFry Touch air fryer. It makes air fry so much easier, it makes it so crispy, and you can make healthy meals in minutes. Here on the side, you can see some of its incredible features, including 4 cooking presets, an easy to clean non-stick basket, and digital touch controls. We'll touch on more of the features when I get it open. Alright you guys, here it is all turned on. Take a look at that nice screen here on the front, and as you can see, there's 4 presets including fish, fries, chicken, and meat. We have the start button here in the corner and the stop and cancel on the opposite side, with time and temperature being in the middle. And as you can see, I can up the temperature and I can click in the middle to change time, making the display perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's inside. Check out that large and quite honestly very deep basket, which makes it so much better. And they did send me as well some bonus liners. These are 10 parchment liners for your air fry basket. I always recommend having those to keep everything nice and clean. And check this out, you also have this type of insert as well. So I definitely recommend you guys get one for your kitchen. Not only are you going to get that gorgeous sleek stainless steel finish, but its accessories are also dishwasher safe. It uses little to no oil, so it makes that cooking super healthy. And now it's time for me to go make some nice snacks with my new Chefman.